the Judiciary Commission has been put up by Meghalaya.
The Department of Geography, St. Edmunds College, in collaboration with NABARD Shillong, organized an international seminar-cum-webinar on the theme Climate Change, a Local, National and Global Agenda for 2 days at the college auditorium. Speaking to the gathering, Chairman of the Meghalaya State Planning Board, Medba Lyngdoh, acknowledged the purpose behind convening the seminar, emphasizing the convergence of valuable reasons for this collective gathering. He echoed his faith in the youth's capacity to bring about positive change and his unwavering support for their endeavors. As the seminar progressed, it carried the torch of awareness, knowledge sharing and collaboration in the fight against climate change.
Chairman of Meghalaya State Planning Board.
I would like to see that St. Edmunds College, to the students, to all the participants of this 2 days long seminars, should show results. There has to be a positive and fruitful results which comes out from this seminar.
The Mulang Yalong